Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Who doesn't like shopping? Most of us love to do shopping, right? For me, shopping is such a stress relieving activity. While shopping itself is a pleasure, finding a best deal on your favorite product makes you feel awesome. That's what today's video is all about. From my shopping experience, I'm going to share with you where do we get cheap and best deals for home organizing products. I'm sure this video is going to be useful for you. Stay tuned. Before getting started, subscribe to Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Let's start with the large organizers first. Spar Hypermarket is the best place to purchase large organizers. I just love the quality and the price deal that they offer. I've not found better deals anywhere else. First in the list is a set of 3 baskets with lids. The offer price on this is Rs 299. So we end up paying only 100 rupees per basket. Are the 3 baskets are of the same size? Let's check it out. No, they are 3 different sizes. I just love the color and the design. They are quite sturdy. Out of the 3 baskets, 2 baskets have handles to pull out, so we can even keep them on the over-the-head cabinets for easy access. It's a good deal. Second is my favorite square baskets with handles. These are perfect choice for wardrobe organization, kitchen as well as books organization. They are large enough and quite sturdy. Let us see the price. The MRP is Rs 496 for 2 baskets, but the offer price is 199. Not just for one, we get 2 baskets for 199. It means each basket is only 100 rupees. Great deal. Next one in the list is this basket, which is a perfect choice for kitchen organization. The MRP is Rs 299, but we get buy one get one offer on them. So it's a great deal for 150 rupees per basket. DMart has similar baskets for 139 rupees, but they are slightly smaller compared to these baskets. So this is again a great deal for 150 rupees. Then comes the spice box. These boxes are great option for storing any small items like beads, pins, clips, etc. It's not just for spices. The MRP is Rs 302, but the offer price is Rs 99. I've seen the same basket in many places, but nobody other than Spar offers it for Rs 99. That's a great deal again. Then comes these baskets with handles. These organizers are perfect choice for kitchen, fridge, stationery, etc. I got these baskets from Super 99 shop for just 69 rupees each. It's a good deal as these baskets are quite sturdy. The DMart in my locality doesn't have these baskets, so I found this as a great deal. Next comes the wired shelf, which can be used anywhere to utilize the vertical space. Best part of this wired stand is that they can be stacked on top of each other, or they can also be used lengthwise as a long shelf. I bought this in Amazon for 199 rupees each. That's again a good deal. When it comes to small organizers, DMart is the best. I got all these organizers for best price in DMart. This remote control organizer is best to store makeup essentials, spoons, forks, craft supplies, etc. Very sturdy and it costs only 79 rupees each. Second one is this tray. It can be used as a pull-out tray in shelves. I have used them in my dressing table organization to store perfumes, lotions, etc. This is sturdy as well and costs Rs 69 each. Good deal again. Third one is this tall organizer. Sturdy enough, looks pretty and costs just Rs 39 each. Next comes this rubber shelf liner that I purchased from Hypercity. I remember the price as 150 rupees per roll. It was the best deal that I found. The final product in this video is a vacuum compression bag. Now that summer has arrived, these bags would be the best option to store the quilts and the comforters in a very minimum space possible. It has a cap to suck out all the extra air and compress it into a compact pack. I bought this through Club Factory app. I paid Rs 195 for this. I have not used it yet. I will use it and update about its quality in the comment section and pin it for your reference in future. Yeah, that's it for today. Now go ahead and let me know which was your favorite product from this video. Hope you found the video useful. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Subscribe the channel for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.